I need it.
Not too much, not too much.
4 ounces?
More.
Oh,
Okay. This is
that's
one.
220. Oh,
Mm.
200.
This is one serve for coffee latte.
Pakumot.
Coffee latte. Mm. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, be careful, not too much, hinay-hinay. Because the art will be gone away. You have to maintain the art.
Some of the bubbles are staying.
That's important.
You will make latte art. Okay.
Saan pa ba the art? Hindi po nilabot.
So.
Ay. Ooh.
Now the cup.
Ayun na.
No. It's the cup.
I give it to my mom.
Another one.
I now have a latte for my mama.
Thank you. Kini, kuha na ni 150 siya yung
Can I
kadaka.
pour?
Gamay man.
How much?
Sige. Shoot all. Put on.
Oh, so ka na isa na on. Lami kita na on. I love it.
Done?
Done na. Okay, Lol.
Pait liya.
This is for Lola G.
Sige. Lami ako eh. I love it. You wanna try? Masig di ka katulog no mag